Hi guys, welcome back to the Bakery Shack. How is everyone doing? I hope everyone is having a lovely day again. Sorry we went MIA. We were doing a little work on the Bakery Shack. You know, after so many years, she needed a little bit of love. So sorry for being away so long, but we're back now, strong as ever. Today we're going to be making one of my favorite dishes that my mom used to make. Story time again, guys. Comment down below if you like these story times. When we were little, every Saturday, my mom, my dad, they would crook up the donkey and we would go up to my mom's ground. And she will always take her food and she would cook up there. 3 stones on the ground, firewood, and she always used to make this up in the ground. Oh, that was one of my favorite dishes that my mom would make. So today we're going to be bringing those memories back alive. Today we're going to be making locri out in the Bakery Shack on firewood. We're making sweet food today. Come along, let's do this. All right, let's go. I have chicken drumettes. I think this is about 1.5 kilos. I've cleaned them, patted them dry with kitchen towel. So now we're ready to season up. Let them season for about 1 hour before we start cooking them. So season mix. Go take a look at the other short video how we made this, or we'll put it up in an iCard for you. So I'm going to put 2 spoons of this that I have, my little spoon. I'm going to put 2 spoons of that in there. I'm going to add a little bit of Old Bay. Not too much. Just a little splash it. Some favora. Me and this pan, I was gonna fight with the name. Roasted garlic pepper. Black garlic. Just a little bit, not too much. And we have some mojo rub. Lemon pepper. Rub a dub some lemon pepper. Cayenne. Not too much, too hot. Onion powder. Sorry for the noise, guys. That's why you get cooking outside. Noise from all over. Garlic powder. Chili flakes. So now, just you can mix it in with your hand or a spoon or whatever. I like to shake mine up like this. Shake it, baby, shake it. Shaoxing rice wine. Oyster sauce. Sesame oil. Ketchup sauce. The Shaoxing rice wine, I'm going to just throw in a capful. Don't go drinking this. There's nothing to drink. Book a little splash of oyster sauce. As much sesame oil as you like. Help your season adhere as well to your chicken. and a little bit small smidgen of ketchup. Yes, rub-a-dub. Now I have some garlic, ginger, yellow onion, a little red onion under there, celery stalk, tomatoes, spring onion, and we have some fresh thyme. So okay, here we have two types of parsley, the flat parsley and the kind of bushy one. I have some fresh thyme and I have some chives. We're going to just roughly cut this a little bit and add it in with the chicken as well with the rest stuff. I just cut the thyme in half. Just throw it in. Not too small because you won't be able to take it off the chicken when you're going to fry the chicken. We just want to get the flavoring from all of this while it's marinating. All this deliciousness you used to put in the food, give it that good flavor. Right? Now I'm going to throw in this as well. Cover up the chicken. And just cover up the chicken and leave this for 1 hour. And then after 1 hour, we can come back and we start cooking up the locri. It started raining so hard out of nowhere. All that, it just came down out of the sky. Well, that's outside for you. You can't get it better than that. That is another story time. When we were up in the ground and it started to rain just like out of the blue, dash round go find shelter. Alright, an hour has passed. Let me go to the pot, start this locri. Come along. Alright. Pot is hot. I'm going to add some olive oil. I'm using olive oil. Yes, so it's good. Okay, I have some of the garlic and the ginger from what put inside with the chicken. Put it in there. Let them flavor the oil a little bit before you put the chicken in. Now you're going to scrape off as much of the seasoning that you just put on the onions and stuff like that off the chicken, because if you put it in, it's going to burn quicker. So try get off as much as you can and fry the chicken alone. A little bit go in, that's alright, but try get the most off. That's why I only put them on the top and not all through the chicken. You just kind of scrape them to the side. Do not overcrowd the pot. You don't want them boiling, you want them frying. Fry at a time as much as can hold in a pot. I can add one more in here and then that's enough. Okay, now I'm going to put the cover on. A little, not completely closed, because you don't want the chicken start sweating. You want them to fry. But with the cover, you're keeping the heat in, help the chicken fry faster. Alright, chicken will brown off like this. I'm going to remove these, put in the next batch. We're going to fry up a second batch. When we finish with all, I'll come back. Next step. You see the bottom of the pot? Don't think, oh, it burned up, I gotta try it. No, this is going to give your rice flavor and the browning to your rice. So remember all the greens we put on top of the chicken? Now we're going to fry these off in the same pot. All right. Sweat down the onion them and stuff like that. Now look here at the bottom of the pot. You see just now it was all brown. You see? That sweat down of the onion them release all that flavor. Okay then. I'm going to take hot water. Add hot water to this. Black pepper. Roasted garlic and pepper. My friend Favora. I'm just taking the back of a fork. Two of those, just the back of a fork. Please somebody invent smell-o-vision. Smells so good. Oh, forgot. Onion powder. Garlic powder. Chili flakes. I ain't putting a lot because I already add some to the chicken. Sweet chili sauce. I'll add a whole pot spoon. Oh, upside down. Tomato paste.
Ketchup.
Try catch me up. Get the joke? Call me crazy. Ketchup. I would say maybe a tablespoon. And that's your sauce right there. Now we're gonna bring her up to a boil, and then once she starts boiling, we're going to add the chicken. So stir everything up together. As you have seen, because I added the frozen greens, the sauce has cooled down a bit. So now we're going to wait for this to come back up to a boil so we can get to add the rice in. Smell. Now I have here rice. Put your rice all over. So you could try to get it between all the chicken them. I have 3 cups of Basmati rice. I'm using Basmati rice. I'm gonna use a fork. Tip of the day, when cooking rice, always use a fork. You use a spoon, you're going to make your rice mushy. It's gonna be a real Mr. Bean. Mr. and Mistress Bean. I'm gonna take a piece of foil, put it over the top, under the cover, keeping that steam. steam your rice. Now and again, you come back, you open your pot, check if all the water boiled down, the sauce boiled down, and the rice is cooked. Bring it back when we're going to plate her up. If all your water boil away or cook away already, if all your water already cooked away, test your rice, see if your rice cooked. If not, just add a weeny bit of water to keep the rice steaming. The locri is finished. I'm telling you, really somebody got to invent smell-o-vision, because you should be here to smell this, but don't smell it. Take your time and make this yourself. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. I would like to thank everyone for taking their time to sit and watch all our videos. It comes from the bottom of my heart. Thank you all very much. We love everyone. I hope you enjoyed this meal. Until the next video, love and blessings. Bye guys.